crazy?
I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you.
Y'all, it is so hot. Like, it's sticky hot. I'm trying to cook early and get it out the way. It was a gloomy day. It looked like it was gonna rain, but now the sun is beaming and coming out. So I'm like, let me just cook and get this out the way, and then I'll just shower after to try and cool down. I was editing the surprise vlog for y'all. It's so nice, baby, when it's here. But it came out nice. I was sad because I thought I didn't have enough footage for it, but looking at it, it was just enough. Like, you can't catch everything. That's how y'all see this vlog. The surprise vlog went out already. Y'all seen it. Let me tell you, them two fools there did in charge. One joke. And when we came, I had boiled water to make church bathe, like the basin, to make warm water basically. But when we felt it, we was like, oh, it's not that cold, but it wasn't cold to us. I should have followed my mind and still went ahead and did it, because now she has the sniffles. Troy have the AC in his room. Gotta take care of her little sniffle she have going on. I know it's nothing else. She don't have no fever or anything else. It's just her nose stuffed up, and I know exactly what it's from. So, but for safety precautions, I'm still gonna watch her, monitor and watch it. But we were very cautious on the plane, so I know she didn't encounter anything. I'm making chicken foot. Never made it before. We're making this today. Somebody on YouTube gotta have a video on something on how to do it. I never used a pressure pot before, so I'm wondering if there's another way to make this without a pressure pot. Because I'm starting from early with it, so soon check back in with y'all. We do this. The first night when we came Sunday, and then Monday Troy went to work, so when he came home, he kept talking about he coming home to make chicken. In my head, I'm just like, how you making chicken in your life here? The whole point is so you don't have to do nothing and enjoy the little time you have here. So I have made some chicken, barbecue chicken and rice for him. When he came home, he was so happy. Because his mom and his sister's away. It's just him in the house by himself. Well done. Thank you. Come out the kitchen. Come out the kitchen. Did it lock again? Did it lock again?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm here. I'm going to try to cook every day. Yesterday we actually went to the beach and had fish. Recorded a little bit of that for y'all too. See how it's that. So yesterday we had fish. So I'm going to make the chicken foot. I don't know. There's plenty in here. I'm thinking if I should just make enough for it to be what we eat today and tomorrow. So I put that. Yes, baby. Put the broom down, please. Put the broom down, please. Yes. Soon check back in with y'all. Let me deal with this. Y'all, I told Troy I'm tired of rice. I would take sauteed chicken and lo mein. Yeah, this is what they gave Troy, because apparently he went in there asking for the thing with chicken and vegetable. So it looked like they threw a bunch of lettuce in here and 6 pieces of chicken with gravy. No lo mein, because he couldn't remember the name of the lo mein. And I'm trying to eat it, and as I'm eating it, the lettuce is just shriveling up. And then I told him that he needs to try what he gave me, but he don't want to try it. What do you have to say for yourself?
Lies, you tell.
Try it.
I did already.
No, you didn't.
I did though.
Let's see you try it.
I don't know this. I don't know that wrong.
One little spoon is not going to kill you, because that's what I thought too. I was eating it at first, and then I just couldn't take it anymore.
They eat all I meat.
Excuse me. Troy was 6 pieces of chicken they put in there. And then his justification and excuse is I said that I want to lose weight. So that's my dinner today, y'all. Before you even sat down, and you gave her a spoon of rice. Oh, that's what I gave her, was a spoon of rice.
I'm gonna get a big piece of chicken. I'm gonna do that cutting her off, putting her on, and she eat it. Right.
She full?
Is she?
You tell me, because you saying I ain't seeing properly, so maybe you fed her enough to be full. Yes, baby? Your juice?
Yeah.
Are you full?
One more? One more. One more.
You want chicken? Your daddy ate it all. No, leave it. Daddy gonna clean it up. Daddy gonna clean it up. Hey guys, happy Sunday. We're off to the beach.
Yeah, I look like going to the beach, you know.
Curfew is 2 o'clock. Mine just 11:30. All now we didn't head out. And we gotta stop at KFC. The kitties are in the back.
Cat there never.
Huh?
Cat there never.
Huh?
It's a kitty.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else to do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
If you drop in that sand, nothing I do. Camera in upon you, the camera upon all of them. You know what's funny? It'll show you the least. Rascal, the man lick him on here. Yep. See people them there with the PKR. The PKR there, rascal. Eh? Oh, the hook touch it?
Yeah, like a so the robots are right.
Oh.
Like the man needs that.
The tear off. Well, I feel problem that.
I feel that alright.
Just reach it. Oh, it's a drive it past it.
Yeah, so the better for you in that front cover though. You're blind, you don't see it. You see it.
It's showing. It's showing. It's showing over there.
Everybody,
Yeah.
happy day, happy day.
Yeah.
You do that, so that's the two man that's on the beach and all that.
Oh man, dog. I'm a kiddie.
You don't know that.
Right next to you, I wanna kiss you, your eyes.
your son there up on the beach, you know? Run for the river, but time in and the lockdown thing now work, so find the nearest spot. So you have Blackie right here, yeah, me and you have half Pro and half Blackie right here, and you have Precious. You have Teddy Bear and your Brian over there, so and Teddy Bear keep on right there, so. Yeah, you have the man over there, so I like water on that yard. One video. Yeah, it's about BBC. The rest goes on. And the panel photo shoot, then I saw that and yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. Don't really want to, I just wanna get away and stay right next to you.
Okay. Precious say I train nasty, you don't want that water. You come out like you're BBC. Yeah, your friends, I'm just telling you that you see. Hey, Cherish. I'm going to water on the side of the water. What's on the money now?
I'm gonna water now, Jamaica.
I'm busy. See, man, I want to play the jumper chuck. Chuck, then I want.
Water nice, you know.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, and what you do, that's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you, I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Right, cheers. Shot. You know. Ready? Come. Voila, everybody. Everybody have them cup. We have a shot. You ready?
Oh, Samsung that door.
Yeah, man.
Yo, iPhone, you have them guys here.
You're crazy. Crazy. Hello, everybody. Shots time. Everybody ready? Cups up. Cups up. Wait, I can't sit down around there, so yeah, cups up, yeah? 1, 2.
Look on
There you
that
go.
cup. Look on that cup.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, shots!
The brand, the blue car or the white car. Alright, so after rounds of shots, we got the video that part there, you see. 1, 2. Right now I feel like we got link Maxine for the vaccine, because right now trouble doing all this, you know. We need to take shots of alcohol. We need to take out kind of alcohol. I never read none at all. The brand food. Hold on, we have brand food. What is that brand food? Break your leg, break your leg, break your leg, break your leg, break your leg. Yo, you hear me? You hear me I say? You sure? I'm on the estate. This is this one. Yo. Yeah, like vaccine for vaccine. Yo, Chai, come ready. You know, like vaccine for vaccine. I tell you question.
Get your fuck out of
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Yeah, so we're about to go to KFC, I don't know. Chacha, KFC lock. Chacha no. And the next one full. Almost that, I don't know.
It is 231. Alright, not bad odds then.
231.
I want you around, around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. I just